Hi, Madbronco here. Behind me is today's load. The truck I'll be driving is a Scania and the load is a 24-ton Excavator Bucket. We will be driving from Sheffield to Birmingham, so please join me and let's get trucking. Right, okay, good morning, thank you for joining me. As you can see, I'm in the truck already today, getting ready to leave. And it's a pretty cool truck, pretty cool load, so I think we'll get it started. We've got sat nav, but we don't actually need that today. Check the mirrors. Yep, she's a bit of a wide one today, so I have to be watching out for that. Obviously we can't take too long here because we're escorted loads. We've got people waiting for us outside the gate, and yeah, right, so we've got a beacon, we put that on. I think we get moving. Some talking while we're driving. Like I say, we've got a lot of people waiting for us, roads being closed and stuff like that. So here we go. See you later, chaps. The guys there waiting. Let's go. See, we've got a few spectators. Pretty big old trailer, pretty wide load, as you can see there in the mirror. We don't actually need to check this way because they've closed the road off. Well, closed it, blocked it off. There's our escort vehicle. So let's make a move. Go straight through this red light. Oh, a few spectators out, that's nice. Right, hopefully they're going to keep well over. Should be able to get through okay, yep. See, that's a bit of an issue today, the width. As you can see, that's pretty wide, this bucket. Makes you wonder why they didn't put it on a trailer long ways, but anyway, it is what it is. Again, don't really need to look, but kind of force of habit, you come up to a junction and you look. Well, he's pretty brave there in his open top sports car. As you can see, the weather's not too bad today, quite a nice sky. We're leaving about lunchtime today, so I didn't have to get up too early this morning, but obviously with these kind of loads you have to get to the yard a little bit earlier. Through the route and stuff was our first thing we got to kind of worry about. That's not too bad. Not too keen on this barrier to the left. So anyway, we're driving from Sheffield to Birmingham. Not the longest of trips, but when we got to take it easy and be doing about 40 miles an hour or so. We won't be going very fast today, especially through these little country lanes. It'll take a good few hours. That's okay. Don't mind these leisurely drives, gives you a chance to have a look at the scenery. Like I say, it's not too bad a day today. Quite an interesting looking sky. View there in front of us in the English countryside. Yeah, what are we doing, about 40 miles an hour or so, 41, 40. Not too keen on all these big vehicles down this country lane, but that's alright, he's alright on a motorbike. Anyway, hope everybody's alright today. Obviously the middle of the week. Like I say, a nice leisurely drive. Put that across there, that's quite nice, isn't it? And I hope your week's going okay. Obviously Having a pretty good week this week in the UK, even though driving a left-hand drive truck, as you can see. Oh, blimey, that's all I want. Blooming bus. Got our lights on. No, well, don't really need them, but these sort of loads, put your lights on. Got our beacon flashing. Doing 40 miles an hour. It's not that heavy, this. What was it? 24 tonnes, something like that. But obviously, got a bit of an issue with the width. That's what I've got to be careful of today. And it's a pretty long trailer, actually, like I say. Bit surprised they didn't put it on long ways, but oh well. So yeah, just take it nice and steady today. This bit through the countryside, we've got a little bit on the motorway. Yeah, you keep over, you bus. I see my escort driver's doing a pretty good job of keeping them over. So yeah. Oh, if anybody's interested, I put out my sim racing video recently. A bit of a cool one, especially as I painted all the skins for the bodies on that one. Yeah, I've been enjoying painting some skins. Like I say, some pretty cool cars, little type of like legends cars, more based on modern, contemporary cars, Mustangs, Camaros, Nissans, different things, and they race in Australia. That's actually a suggestion after I painted the Formula Fords. Somebody suggested would I do some more Australian stuff, and I had a look at the, well, it's actually called ARC, Aussie Racing Cars. I thought, wow, these look pretty cool. Nobody had really painted much for them. So that's what I did. And I did have a bit of a cool thing to do recently. From doing the Formula Fords, a couple of guys who actually race in the Formula Fords contacted me directly and asked me if I would paint their cars, because obviously I didn't paint their cars in the pack. They're racing now in 2019. Obviously they've got the games in the pack, wanted their cars so they could drive their own cars in the game. So that was pretty cool. It's quite a nice thing. So yeah, so that video's out, my latest sim racing video. Obviously I'm heading to my next driving experience at the end of this week. Quite looking forward to that. Got a little bit of sort of, I don't know what the right word is, sentiment, not really sentimental, but a bit of meaning, because it's a circuit I used to watch when I was, a lot younger on TV. And a couple of the cars used to race in their respective, in their respective series around this circuit, which I used to obviously watch on TV when I was a lot younger. So I'm looking forward to that. Right, anyway, what we got here? Got a junction. We're turning right. Looks like they're holding the traffic. Again, force of habit to look, even though I don't need to. So yeah, so I'm enjoying life at the moment, driving some pretty cool trucks, pretty cool loads, driving some pretty cool cars at the weekends, getting into some sim racing. Yeah, life is good. Just a shame I don't get a little bit more interaction, a few more views on the videos and the channel, but it is what it is. It's a shame really, it doesn't cost anything to subscribe or like. Have the Facebook page as well. I think a lot of it is, you know, having sort of, I don't know what the word is, sort of almost like an existing community of people to sort of show your videos around to, but I haven't got anything like that, so like I say, it is what it is. I enjoy doing it, so that's what sort of matters. Right, what have we got here? Petrol station, obviously with these loads, no brakes today, no stops. I mean, it'll be under 4 hours anyway, so we don't actually need to stop for a break. So we don't have to worry about finding any lay-bys or anything today. Quite quiet now for traffic, which is good. I think we're going on the motor. I'm not really sure, to be honest with you now. I mean, I forgot the route. I did have a look. It's funny because I can see our destination kind of flashing in the very top left. I was just gone out of the sat nav, and I'm thinking, well, perhaps the motorway's up here. Perhaps it's only a little short stretch. Perhaps that's what we're coming up to here. It's the motorway. I'm sure there was at least one section of motorway. Yeah, it looks like that's what we're going down to here, the motorway section. I thought there was. Because obviously it's going to be a bit of a tightish left turn by the looks of it, knowing this type of a junction, so I'm going to have to swing. Yeah, exactly. Need them to hold them trucks there so I can swing across the road. Turn, look at that, that was nice. Right, keep going buddy, because I want to get up the slope before you stop. I know they're probably going to wait. Should be up the slope enough, yeah, okay. Yeah, we should be up the slope enough to be able to pull away. Right, okay, so he's decided we're good to go. Not sure why. Okay, because we want to change lanes. Oh, because the inside lane becomes a junction off. Oh yeah, I see, okay. That's what it was working, yeah. I say, because the inside lane was a lane. Because we need to get across. Pretty central here in this lane, I think. Yeah, okay, no problem. Cool. Why are you slowing down, buddy? What are you playing at? Okay, so we're going over. I'm quite sure why you're going so slow. Or perhaps everybody's getting a bit antsy because they can see police cars sitting around. I'm not saying there was anyone who was speeding. I know we certainly won't be speeding today. Hopefully we can run it pretty much. Because it's going to Cambridge. Okay, I was going to say that car's shot up behind him a bit quick. Right, this is going to be a bit fun, I think. Swirly whirly slip road. Barrier on the outside but not on the inside. Okay, that's okay. Take it steady. Take it easy. Yeah, okay, I got it. Lovely, very nice. You're going to wait there? I don't know why he's rushed off for. You think I'm going to come whizzing round there? Good, they held that truck and that lane up so we can get across. The sky's clear, look at that nice blue sky late in the afternoon. He's trying to pass us, that's good. Usually get some bright spark. Oh, that lovely sun right in front of us. So we're going to start hitting the city now. Swap lanes, not really quite sure why at this point. Just keep it so that we don't get any bright spark. Again, trying to come up our inside. I think I'll probably sit pretty central. Take both lanes. Guessing we're going to turn at these lights. Looks like it on the sat nav. Oh, if they kindly changed for us, not that it really matters. We got our police holding the traffic. Few spectators. Hope you got my good side there. Some people there taking pictures. Alright, where are we going now? Let's go around this corner, let's have a look. Around along this sort of railway. I think we're going to a building site, construction site. Would make sense, wouldn't it? With a hello people, with an excavator bucket. That's here. Or a construction or property group. Something to do with construction. Oh yeah, plenty of excavators and cranes and diggers. Oh blimey, TV crew there. Got some interview as we're pulling in. Some piece to camera. Yeah, I've kind of not done myself in much favours there. It should be pretty straight. I don't know why someone's tooting. Right. Let's get her lined up in the middle of the yard here. That's easy. Parking spot. There we're looking, I think that should straighten up quite nicely. Truck straight with the trailer, looks good. Yep, I think we call that. Okay, well, that's it. Hope you enjoyed that. Nice, sedate, steady drive. Shut everything off. Still quite a nice afternoon, so I think I'll head off out of here. And I'll see you next time. Bye. Well, that's it for today. We have made it to our destination and delivered the load in one piece, so all good there. I hope you enjoyed the video and will join me next time, and of course please subscribe, like and comment. Have a nice day wherever you are, and I hope to see you again soon. Bye.